Hi guys, this is my video presentation training data. Name Catherine Perez Betancourt. Course name English Word. Level 2. Instructor Camilo Gomez Mancera. Hi, my name is Catherine Perez Betancourt. I want to start share a special food of my family that represents moment food of love and happiness in the picture. There are the people including adults and children, guitarist and outdoor. Sitting in the background, you can see brick with some engraving and touching rough student that ends to the words can some coaxing of part of this family gathering. Today I'm going to focus on a very special family member. He is positioned on the staff side of the group, wearing a white shirt and dark pants. His relaxed posture and good smiling shows how happy he is to be surrounded, beloved, honest. He has a short 18 of the air and sit edges rating kindness and confidence. He is figure in my life, always ready to show ideas my whenever I need a moment. He has an exceptional sense of humor, capable of making everyone laugh even during tough times. Once I dark moments about his dedication and ability to bring the whole family together, making us always feel like a team. It is been tourist he is enjoys the moment shopping is with smiling and sharing this positive energy can everyone to me he is more than just a reality is role model or generosity optimism and strength he is present makes every catering more special and feels with home. Thank you very much. Excuse me, my speaking English is good.